Hey everyone, I'm Casey, and on this video we are going to revive a video that I made a couple of years ago, 4 years ago actually. It is the zip tie trick to cut off exhaust pipes. So, one of the big questions I've gotten asked in that video was, what did I use? This is a Mac Tools exhaust and tailpipe cutter. They make, you can get one from Mac, Matco, Snap-on, Cornwell. They're probably all made by the same main company. They just put their different names on it. I bought this thing several years ago. Basically, it's got these little wheels, but they're sharp. I mean, not like sharp where I'm not cutting my finger, but they cut metal. Basically what this tool does is you wrap it around the exhaust pipe, you hook it in, clamp it down, go back and forth. I'm going to show you my trick to doing it a little bit easier. Also, the main thing that this is made for is to do a clean cut. Like if you wanted to weld another pipe to it or splice something in, that's what this is really made for. If you don't care and you just want to hack something off, you don't need this tool. Oh, by the way, if you haven't, please subscribe to Patina Pit Stop. Check me out also on Instagram, and I do have a TikTok, but I don't do a whole lot with that yet. But you never know, might do more later. Zip tie trick to cut off exhaust pipes. Oh yeah, by the way, the Mac tool number is MT770A, as in Apple. The way this tool works, and the reason why I'm doing this is because this pipe sticks out way too far, and I've had this truck 6 months and it's bugged me the whole time. So the way this tool works, you wrap this around, you got these little hooks, you hook them in, you tighten it, and then you make sure you're straight. But what you do is you just tighten down and you go back and forth. The zip tie part of the zip tie trick is you wrap a zip tie around the handle. Okay. Wrap the zip tie around the handle. Then you can swipe, tighten, swipe. And basically, you're just saving yourself a little bit of, finger strength. Whoop, I think I'm through. So first of all, this looks better already because that's ugly. There we go. And that is the zip tie trick to help cut off your exhaust. Like I said, this is a handy little tool. I think it's 20-30 bucks. I don't know, something. They're not that expensive. It's great if you're trying to cut something that you want to re-weld to this. It's a nice clean cut, much better than a hacksaw or a whiz wheel or something like that. Please comment if you have any questions about it. Like I said, this video is a remake or a revival of the video that I made about 4 years ago in the garage on my 64 Chevelle station wagon, and it was really cold that day. And I didn't know how to edit. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video.